It's Saturday, July 18th, 2026, and we had a storm blow through last night. Inch and a half, well, 1.44 inches of rain, and a little wind. This is a locust tree planted from seed that was a direct descendant of seed pods I picked up in Philadelphia just outside the Libertyville Park. On Philadelphia property, if you call the Libertyville people, they say, oh, we don't have anything like that. But Philadelphia does. Had. Well, they still do. I don't. And we'll take a look at two more here. This is a very large old box elder that snapped off and came down on an older dead pine tree. This is going to be fun to clean up. Stripped the branches right off that, didn't it? More campfire wood. I tried to give this away last time, but no one would take it. So, if you want it, come get it quick. Once I cut it up, it gets expensive.